So I'm going to show you how I apply our Botanical Foundation, and there's so many different ways you can apply it, but I'm going to show you the way that I do it with our Blenderful sponge. And I already spritzed my face with our First Base makeup primer. It's an ultra-fine oil-free mist. It is a vitamin-based primer, creates a smooth, lightweight canvas for flawless makeup application, reduces the appearance of large pores and redness, and prevents the makeup from forming and setting into all our small lines that we get as we age. So that's a definite necessity. When purchasing, like, I love our foundation. I absolutely love it. Love, love, love. With the foundation, I always recommend a Blenderful if you don't already have one, but they have other ones on the market that are just as good, but ours does come with a cute case. But I highly recommend the makeup primer spray and the setting spray. We have two different setting sprays, Oil Strike and 10 years younger. They're both really good. I use the Oil Strike in the summer because that's when I'm more oily. Otherwise, I love the 10 years younger setting spray. All right, so Shinto 1 is going to be the shade that I'm using today because I'm kind of on the paler side. I'm having some breakouts. They're actually clearing up, thank goodness. I am a stress, it makes my skin go crazy, okay? So here's what the foundation looks like. This is our Botanical Foundation. It's a wax-based foundation with 55% pigment. Most of the stuff that you buy in high-end stores is about 22-24%, and the stuff that you buy at the drugstore is about 14%. So there's no fillers in this. It's not a bunch of oils just to fill in the product. It's wax and pigment, and that's why all the makeup artists love it. Okay, so this is a little damp. It might be a little too damp. You don't want it wet. You want it damp, because if it's wet, it's like oil and water. Okay, so I just do these little twists, and you can see there's barely any product. And then I just twist it onto my skin. I'm not wiping it on, I'm just twisting it to get the product off the sponge and onto my skin. And I'll do half my face so you don't have to watch me this whole time. Make sure my lighting's good. So I'm just twisting. And you can already see it's evening out my skin tone. I have melasma right in the center, like a bullseye on my head. And this completely covers it. And it covers most of my acne and my scars. And what it doesn't cover, I'm not going to keep applying foundation. I'm just going to apply concealer over top of that. Like that. And then I'm just going to bounce to blend it. I'm never going to swipe. It's like kind of like a massage for your face. And the sponge is very like squishy, so it feels really good. It's not like I'm whacking myself. Okay. All right, I think we're good. How easy was that? And you can still see some of my spots, and I'll get rid of them really easily. But compared to this side and the evenness, this side speaks for itself. So that is just a demonstration of our wonderful Botanical Foundation that I absolutely love, and I will use every single day for as long as they make it, as long as I'm here. So if you have any questions, let me know, or contact your beauty guide. And thanks for watching.